Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Garcia. We are going to be talking about the reading portion of our learning board. This week, we are going to be working on May 11th through May 15th, 2020. We are going to start with our first box in the learning board. So this week, what you're going to do is you're going to listen to the read aloud, which is Henry and Mudge. And then what's going to ask you to do is it's going to say, in your own words, tell your teacher what Henry's problem was in the story and what Mudge's problem was in the story. So the skill we're going to be working on is paraphrasing. Now, what paraphrasing is simply is putting the text into your own words. So I like to tell my class, when we see this word text, it doesn't mean like text message. It's kind of like a fancy word for story. So putting the story into your own words. So when we see this word text, we know that they mean story or whatever you're reading, the piece of work that you're reading. So we're going to be putting the story into our own words. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to use the STP method. What is that? Okay, let me tell you. So first, it says stop reading, cover the text with your hand. So you're going to stop reading and you're going to cover the text with your hand. Now then, because we don't have the book in front of us, what we can do is we can stop the video and we can think. Think about what you just read or what you just heard them read to you. And after that, then you can paraphrase. Now, paraphrase is by softly telling yourself, okay, what did I just read? Or what did I just hear them tell me when they were reading? Now, you are going to use this STP method. There is another method that you can use, and it's called RAP. Now, RAP. Now, when you rap, you are going to read sentences in the paragraphs, or maybe in this position that we're in, you're going to listen to the story again, and then you're going to ask yourself, what are the most important parts in the story? And then put those in your own words. Now, what if I'm stuck? What if I'm stuck and I have no idea what to write? One strategy could be reread the text. Now, I know that we're not reading the story. However, you can listen to the story again. Listen to the beginning of the story. Listen to the end of the story. Find keywords. Be on the lookout for those keywords. Now, remember, you're going to be telling your teacher what Henry's problem was, what Mudge's problem was. So you really need to pay attention to those parts. When they talk about problems or you think that they're in trouble, then you're going to be paying attention to those parts in particular. What you're going to do is you're going to rearrange words or sentences. So you're going to basically say what they're saying, but just put it into your own words. And you can also use synonyms. Remember that synonyms are words that mean the same. Now, when you are finished listening to the story, then you would tell in your own words what you think that Henry's problem was and what you think that Mudge's problem was, okay? Now, remember, you should be writing complete sentences. That means you should have a capital letter at the beginning, figure spaces in between your words, and a punctuation at the end. I hope you all have a good time learning and that you all have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.